got Wendy's today. I feel like we only ever get Wendy's at night, but here we are. Chili. I've never had the Wendy's chili, but it's always looks so good. Okay, ready? Look at that. It smells like hospital food in a good way. Okay, that's kind of weird. I saw they have this new sauce. It's called Mango Habanero. And that kind of just sold me. It's giving Wingstop. Mango Habanero. Let's try it. Let's open this up. Let's try it with a fry first. Whoa. That tastes like fake mangoes. I don't know how I feel about that. Dude, it literally tastes like a fake mango, like ice cream mango.
Oh.
That's weird. I don't like that. Next. Fuck no. Look at that. That looks so good. We're gonna go in for a little bit of extra sauce. Oh my god. I had no idea this was not ketchup. What the fuck is this? It's hot chili seasoning. I thought it was ketchup. Bro! It's fine. Okay. Nobody noticed the fact that I'm wearing only one earring. It's fine.
Some of the chili.
You want to try this one? The sauce?
Yeah.
Might be a little spicy.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Oh.
I know. Fuck.
I didn't know it was like that.
I know. It's really watery.
Straight on my phone. Do we have a napkin?
Yeah. Is it good? I'm scared. Okay, I'll try it.
Don't be.
Okay. Oh shit.
Fucking good.
All right. We don't want to eat all our burger without having chili dipped into our burger. Or our burger dipped into chili. So, you guys. Ready? Oh my god. That's good. It's like a sloppy Joe. Sorry.
New Shazam.
All right, let's go for a little spoonful of this now. Look at that. Ow! Ah! Oh my fucking god, that was hot. How does something like this always happen to me? I don't understand. You guys, look at the mini fridge in the back, by the way. We literally got a mini fridge. Look at that. We're gonna be eating good soon.
Is that right?
Yeah. All right, let's take a little spoonful of this. I just burnt my tongue for 4 days. No. You guys, what is this? Fanta lime. It's gas. Oh my god. I feel like they always have the coolest drinks at Wendy's. But
In random subways.
yeah, that's so true. Movie theaters as well.
Yeah.
But guys, I love going to the movies. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to go see Avatar tonight. I've been trying to see it for the last 3 weeks. Do you want to
For sure.
go? He usually says yes. He's just been a little lazy lately. You can throw it in there. I don't want that anymore. Okay, we're gonna go for the honey mustard. No, babe, I want that. What are you doing? Just leave it up there, babe.
I thought you were saying you didn't want that anymore.
No, I was talking about the honey mustard. I mean, the thing. Okay, let's open some honey mustard up. Honey mustard. Oh. That was a fail. Okay. Get a big chunk of fries. I like Wendy's fries. What do we think of this angle? Different angle. Do we like it? Yes or no to the angle? Let me know. Yes? Ty likes it. Ty says yes.
Look at Batty.
I love you. Crunchy.
Excuse me.
It's only okay when I burp. Don't do it, Ty. Ty, don't. Baby, I'm eating. Anyways, guys, regular day for me. Low key, it was good with the chili, but I kind of like it with the ketchup on its own. I just dipped my finger into the fucking sauce like an idiot. Dude. Ketchup, you guys already know. Mmm. It's the best thing. Bacon, cheese, and meat. Good call. Do you want any more fries?
Okay.